I think we're back. I hope we're back. Something just broke. Yeah, OBS had some encryption error. I don't know why, but... oh well. More like oof. Big oof. That happens when you type the word with the A into two S's. Just got banned on the spot. I accidentally made the tab at the wrong spot. Instead of pass, well. Huh. Just noticed, yeah. That's kinda neat. Well, back to where I was before Twitch decided or OBS or whatever decided my free trial of doing things has expired. Are you gonna do what I think you're gonna do now?
No, you!
Oh no. The no you emote actually triggers the command. It's honestly amazing. Okay. Where have we been before OBS decided to undo itself? I was replacing the... Fine. What even is the point of class name if I never use it? Yeah, stream elements, I'm live. I've never seen someone spell register so wrong. I'm gonna do no such thing. Okay, some of these festive habits, they are aligned. You know, the problem is that half the people in this chat are moderators. Where was I? We want a dictionary of all the What? At least better than Pitt, who can't read. Who never learned how to read. Yeah. Where do I start? We need a dictionary. Probably public dictionary, considering we kinda need it. Hard dictionary. It's at least not private. What? Well. I guess before we do this, we have a new card. This time it isn't actually a joke card, it's actually a genuine card. Just gonna make... Yeah, the joke cards come later. I mean, if you want it as an emote, you can make it an emote. Clearly you know how to make sprites, even if you pretend you don't. Oh. Well. Don't worry, whatever happened with OBS seemed to have something to do with my graphics card, so... Yeah, it actually told me that the graphics driver had some issues. Which is... scary, but also... yeah, has the consequence that some of the things I'm working with look kinda weird. Like some of the windows I had open are covered in black because they aren't drawn, which is weird. Hang on a sec, I just need to real quick. Yeah, I'm just saving. Save. I need to edit this really quick. Hang on. Yeah, I spread still in Godot. Oh, no. For now I'm just going to save that and edit it real quick to be on size. Actually, I'm going to do that when I take a break, and then I'll show. I don't want to accidentally show off my file path again, but I also kind of don't want to edit this if I don't show it, because this takes time. How much was the... I'm just going to edit this real quick and... I know you can't see anything, but isn't important. Actually, big brain play. I show a sprite right now. So I need to edit a bit on the sprite Smasher just sent me, so I might as well do this right now and show you as soon as I have a sprite back. Yeah. Basically, we have the egg cracker now. Which looks cool, but also the full artwork is, well, a bit bigger than an actual card, so what I'm going to do is check how high the card here should be. 20. So this is 47. So I need to subtract 27 from the top. Minus. I think it's 20. Yeah, it makes sense. Let me just write that down real quick so I remember. Top minus 27. But just a sec. This I just want to have those values in case I want to make changes to that later, or want to edit it somehow via code, which I don't know why I should do that. That's not a question. So we have 27 on top. On the sides it's 4 each, I think. It's kind of hard to see, but I think it's 4 each. Yeah, it's 4 each. So we have to remove a lot. Left is currently 43, so 39. Huh, my favorite number. Canvas size left minus 39, which obviously means we cut a lot away, but minus 39. On the right it's again 39, which, you know, kind of convenient. Uh, 39, and bottom is going to be a bit difficult, but we know how big the card should be, so we can just cut off whatever is left on the bottom. Because a card should be 96 high. This is currently 123. 123 minus 96 is... Do you now understand why I didn't pass my math semester? No, it's fine. I can do it. It's fun to do, and I like having the values as well. So... Brain, please work. 7... Nah, I'm too lazy, I'm just using the calculator. $123 minus 47. Yes, I needed a calculator for that. Shut. I said I'm not good at math. Minus 27. My memory is also kinda... You know, I could just write down... yeah. Can go back to Godot then already. I'm just going to export that real quick and... Yeah. So... Now I just need to copy it into the folder and we should be good. Cracker. That took a bit longer than I expected, but oh well. Which number is the cracker actually? Cut 25? Neat number actually. A cracker. 2D pixel art. So we are going to make a card for the cracker, which it might be a bit strong, but like we could make it a bit strong, but I don't know. I might actually give it the same values as Eggman at the moment, and give it a cool effect later. Either way, new card. Visual Studio? Yeah. Okay. I guess because OBS did the thing it did, it could find it. So, wrong folder. Cards. Copy card 35 and make it 25, since 35 is Eggman and I'm going to use similar stats, probably. Wrecker 25. I don't think it needs a display name. Unlike Eggman, it's going to use the default frame, but it is borderless. Brain. How do we... I can type this way. Should it have a type? Like speed, fly, power? I could imagine giving it power, but since, you know, Smack. I'll give it power. That is power, yeah. So now we should have the egg cracker, I think. Obvious, where are you? Let's see. Card. 25. Camera. Current. Run a scene. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. I spelled it wrong. I forgot the line. So that would explain why we don't find it. Well, that looks menacing. Good job. I can imagine. Definitely nice. Yeah, I agree. I mean, I don't like Eggman being more comedic every now and again, but... Oh, I need to cut some thing off on the... I'll fix the artwork in post. Just let me real quick, because I realized some of the edges aren't rounded off because the artwork covers them, which isn't great, obviously. Not the worst, obviously, either, but it just looks kind of weird. So let me fix it real quick. Just copy Eggcracker, Sprite, and that should be good. If I try this again now, the corner should be rounded off, since I updated the sprite. Yeah. You see, down there. We're still missing some cards before the Eggcracker, but I think mostly we got everything till 25. We can check in the deck edit in just a sec what we're missing. Ballhawk and I think Bombot. I haven't done Bombot yet, just because the Uni was just easier to do. Surprise. Yeah, the Bombot, technically it's called Bomb, but there are so many things that are called Bomb that I can't responsibly call it bomb. And the ball hog. Yeah. And then we are getting towards the Animal Friends Team Dark. Well, SA2 Team Dark, because Omega is listed with his brethren in the E100 series. Which just completely coincidentally, are on 100 to 123. Nothing to do with their ID at all. Nothing at all.
Does anyone but you believe your lies?
No. No one does. No one does. Jokes aside, now to the card dictionary. Something like that. But honestly, half the list is just based on the fact that the E-Series take up their numbers. This entire list is based on the fact that they take up their own numbers. I cut so many enemies so I can achieve that. To be fair, a lot of them are redundant. Like, what's the difference between a buzz bomber and a buzzer? There is a difference. Allegedly. Letters. Letters is the difference. Funnily enough, bomb. Bomb is the letters that are missing. But yeah, we might add those redundant enemies later, but for the first wave this is fine. We got, with the first 150 cards, we got to SA1, skipping no console games, so we have all the console games. Like mainline console games, so Sonic 1, Sonic 2, Sonic 3 and Knuckles, Sonic City and Sonic Adventure are all accounted for. Plus technically already part of Adventure 2 and Heroes with the E-Series and Shadow. But that's again another topic. Oh, I wanted to do something real quick in the card loader. Not card loader, card preview. Do we even have that? I don't even know if that's in the font. And honestly, I'm not sure if I care. It's not in the font. Well, too bad. Card loader. Okay, first we need a dictionary. For the 5,000th time now. And then, to get back to my thought, we need a card dictionary. The card dictionary will have a method of loading the cards, I think. I think the cards can still do the heavy lifting for the loading themselves, but basically we are just going through the folder of assets. Yeah. Card dictionary. How do I go through a folder and add everything to a card? Or rather, how do I use dictionaries again? I swear I have more memory than... Probably, yeah. Okay, first of all... .new I can't figure this out. I should maybe use a dictionary instead of a directory. I swear, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm not good at it, but I know what I'm doing. How do I...
Okay.
I'm tired and stupid as well, don't worry. How do I add? You know what? I should just use it like that, yeah. I should maybe use an array like an... so first I need to find out what is E, like... Okay. How... I need a for loop basically for the length of the like for the amount of elements in assets cards, since this is the list of our cards. Like this is every copy of like every individual card we have. So naturally, the logical conclusion would be to have the dictionary go through every single of those cards and add it to the dictionary. Like load a card with that name and add it to the dictionary. That idea, but you get what I mean. I swear I can read. I'm stupid and tired too, so you good. Congratulations. Hey, how's it going? So yeah. We are all tired here. I need to read code, oh my god. Give me a sec. I haven't done so in the last 2 days. Brain alert. But yeah, how's it going? Oh, by the way, because before I forget it, blatantly pushing not my channel, but Smash's YouTube channel. Command. Please. Work. Did you turn it off? Stream elements! Yeah, the command is broken. Just a sec. Just a sec. I'm going... There. Check out Smash's YouTube channel. They want to start doing more stuff on YouTube now, and both as a friend and also because we work together, I really want to recommend you to check his channel out, because well, I forgot what I wanted to say halfway through this sentence. I'm just going to pretend like I finished that sentence now. Okay, check out that channel. They are going to release a video as well soon, so stay tuned for that. Remember to add the aliases for the command. Nice! Excited to see it. I was busy doing something, wasn't I? I'm just going to copy it and fix everything Godot screams at me for. That. I feel like I don't need a lot of this. How do we know which key we have currently? Don't answer. Don't answer, please. Don't answer. I know the answer already. Does this work? Does ++ work in Godot, or did they X that for some reason? Right, they X that for some reason. Does plus equals work? Ah, screw the Godot, that's sometimes. No, I can't. Because what if I have a card with alternate artwork? Then the ID wouldn't match up. Except, of course, you know of something I don't. Which is always a possibility, but... to add the card to the dictionary? Oh, I also should. Because then we would have 2 cards with 1 as key in the directory, dictionary, whatever. That's my problem, because we have 2 cards with 1 and 2 cards with 33. Which means the keys wouldn't match up. You get what I mean? While Sulik is typing, I'm just going to continue with this. Because I mean, I could probably. I mean, yeah. I guess it works. Yeah. Sorry, just got a message. Brain. Dang it, you just distracted me. Okay. Yeah, we could theoretically do this, I guess. First of all, I need to get the ID. The ID is equals file I wanted to enter the path while I'm at it. Path equals actually, we should have to have some app somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of funny. Stream Elements does this for some reason and I like it. So I'm not going to complain. ID equals file name. What are you complaining about exactly? Why? Why? Because Okay, that's weird. File name dot suffix. There's something where I can remove the suffix of something. Trim suffix. The suffix being .json, since we don't need the .json for the ID. Okay. What? Does it not conclude? I don't get what your point is. Oh! But this is easier. I don't know what your complaint is. This is reliable. We know that the card name has, like the file name has to be the ID. While I could theoretically mess up and not change the ID in the JSON. So the file name is always reliable. I can ensure the ID is the file name because this entire system relies on that fact. Yes, the ID in the JSON is redundant. In which case I can handle that separately. We know that the cards we make have that name scheme. Heck, technically we could probably enforce that name scheme if we really wanted to, but at least for these cards, there's no point in not doing it this way. How did I do that in the list? What is the distance? Oh. Just a sec. ID equals ID equals card. Because it's called Card Dictionary. Okay. This should work now? Question mark? I don't quite understand how this should work. Well, I sort of understand how this works, but... Also, I would... Ouch. Remove it. I think I understand it now, and I will remove this parameter. Because we theoretically don't know how many variants we'll have. And... the card name will never be longer than the ID, so... the rest will always be the variant. So... I guess... that works. Now we have no way to check if it works, because we have no way to visualize it, but... what? Oh, now I get it. I kinda get it, but... current? Is there a current? Oh, I need to pass. I hate passing JSONs, but fine. So what I do is basically save this. Do I understand it correctly? Then I do need the ID anyway. Nah. I'm going to add a variable path with the path just so I don't need to because I'm lazy, you know. File isn't declared. What is file? A new file. And card data I also need to declare. At the moment I'm not removing that just yet. If I could consistently write anything, I would have no issues with code. Actually, card data can go down there. We don't need it beyond the... File is also only really needed down there. Okay. Problem. I have no clue how exactly you expect me to do that without saving this first. I already did. Oh. Okay. Now that we have that, which took longer than... Okay, how do I do it then? I assume I guess I need to print the arrow. So therefore print debug probably result dot error line comma not comma plus result error string, and that should probably be just to make sure he doesn't complain. Fine. Can do it your way, if that's more proper. Okay. Push arrow. Should it be a warning or an arrow? Kind of feel like it isn't actually too big of an issue since we can handle it, but so yeah, proper error handling, everyone. Something I don't care about. That is fair. Okay, so now this works. So now instead of loading this, I instead load okay, so we don't need a file here anymore. So this actually So we set art result to card look. Dot probably not. Yeah. Yep. Um, we technically only need this, which a lot of things will complain for now. That's fine. What do we do if we don't have a cartridge result? In a rare case that actually happens. Ignore the line break, just so you know. What is he exactly complaining about? That I'm not doing anything. Art result doesn't exist anymore. Instead we have card data. Card dot. Okay. Why real ID? Something that's very abstract, so you don't really see anything. What I'm basically trying to do right now is changing the algorithm how cards are loaded. So I just have one class that loads all the data for every card at the beginning of the game or whatever, and stores that data. So instead of loading a card when I need it, I just read the data out of that dictionary, which is very abstract. Real ID is just 001, even if it's a variant. Okay. Right, because we have sub... Yeah. I think I get it now. Real ID. Order of operations. So then I do variant here. So I write variant for... how did I spell variant? I didn't capitalize it, which I probably should. Variants and then... like this. So... wait. Like this? Okay. Makes sense, I guess. What is it with the stream and typing freaking... What is this? So... just so we are clear, this works now. How I did it. This is how this is supposed to work, right? What exactly? We don't know if it has a variant, and if it doesn't have a variant, variants doesn't have any. I think I get it. Maybe. What exactly do I need to change? Um, am I saving? I think I get what you mean. I'm just confused. So in that case we do it like this. I was so close. Else then I'm going to move this real quick. Not all of it. It's easier that way. So in that case you're confusing me. So what I'm supposed to do is read instead of just empty string like this.
Yeah. And no, you can even use variant in that case instead of empty string. Because this is essentially equal then. Wait. No, you're right. You're right. Empty string. You confused me with where you are.
Okay. And here I do nothing then? Okay. So now the card loader works? Question mark. Yeah, I just wanted to say, let's just hope. I am in card loader. Because it remembers the JSON.
Oh yeah, no.
Hmm.
It's method or parameter for the load function will ignore navigation direction. That's the dot directory that is synonym to this directory.
So what am I supposed?
There's a parameter for the load function. Listen again. Look at the
Nothing of what you just said to me makes sense the way you said it. Could you type less aggressively, please? So... which would be...
You have the docs for that.
But you could also... skip... hidden? Skip navigational, I think. Oh, yeah. You don't see anything. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. We're getting closer. And I do that how? I accidentally discovered Zoom. So what I do is I know this is a bit less interesting because it's a lot of theoretical coding. But I really want to get this done so we have it done before. So I need a real ID too. Blah, blah. A real ID equals in that case I can just and replace this with real ID. And this is then variant. Yeah. Let's try this again. Wood. I'm confused. Uh, hmm. So probably 000, which doesn't exist. The thing is, there are a lot of cards that don't exist right now. And this system currently doesn't really know how to handle cards that don't exist. So if card data doesn't have variants, this means the card doesn't exist, right? In which case I'll just use the normal values. We don't use... Then I can cut that out again. Yeah, this took long enough, and I think this is still fine. There's a reason I had this all more or less optional before. Why does it pick Real ID 000 though? Because it's in the dictionary. Not dictionary, deck editor. Scratch that. So yeah, now if we try to run this again, it should work. But it doesn't. Huh. I'm confusion. Oh, of course. It doesn't work because I am an idiot. Classical coding issue. You know, most programming issues sit between the monitor and the chair. It still doesn't work, but... the first card. So now we get to the issue that the first card doesn't work. Okay, the duplicate doesn't really seem to work. I don't quite know why, but apparently, according to Select, it doesn't work. And apparently he knows, so... voice crack. So, I guess... I don't think this changed anything. Okay. Okay, so there's an issue in the card loader because it doesn't load anything but the variants. So we have figured something out.
I know why. And I told you to check it.
What? That makes sense. Okay. I don't think you told me that, and if so, I thought you meant over there in card. Which is why I checked there and not... That's why I was confused. Well, obviously, I guess, but... So, what is the key? I guess real ID. So this, correct? Let me... Can I refactor that? Ah, screw you, Godot. Fine. So now it should work, maybe? I've been saying this for the last hour or so. And I was right. Uh, dot get so let's try this again. I'm taking a break afterwards, just so we are clear. This was a lot of work.
You have to redirect it to an arm object.
So oh, right. I forgot. That's silly, but I completely assumed that what I already had was right. But yes, that's part of the... That's part of the issue, yes. This is one heck of a... Hey, it works, finally. Only took an eternity. Watch it crash as soon as I click on any card it doesn't like. That's confusing. Why can't I click on it and select it here, but... Nah, not my issue. Did I? I mean, I guess. Doesn't really matter. But that means the dictionary works now. And with that, everything else works. Well, that was one heck of a fight. I think I'm going to take a break. I'm going to be back in a few minutes, I think. And afterwards we have something. Well, Smash has something to show us. Apparently. Yeah, we can improve it off stream a bit, but the base idea works now. So yeah, I'm going to take a quick break. Not quite sure what we are doing afterwards, but sorry. Sorry. My voice just decided to stop working for a sec. Just that, yeah. After the break, I'm going to work on two things. First, that you can switch, like that you can remove cards from your deck, and that if you add a card, it first checks if that card, like that you can only add as many cards into the deck as the limitation allows. So either 3 for now, I would say, or 1 if it's a hero card. So that's the base idea. Afterwards I might implement it so you can select alternate artworks in the deck editor so you can add them to your deck. Yeah, that's the plan for now. So see you in a few minutes, I'll be back.
For the
Okay, we're back, I think. Depends, is anyone still, is anyone still here? Okay, so yeah, now that that's finally done, the next thing we can focus on is, first, a little something, someone here wanted to show us. I don't know, do you have a link or something? Or is it just on your channel? Okay. Take your time. I don't think you wish people marry, hello? You know what? Okay. I'm gonna turn off the music real quick. Real quick. Okay. Make it so. Just tell me when you're back. Anyway, think some people still need a quick second to get back. Welcome back. So yeah, we have this. She's here. That sounds vaguely threatening. Actually, let me check something real quick before I... Just a sec. I wanted to check real quick. Okay. I don't... Yeah. So... I have no clue what this is. Which also means I'm not responsible for anything. Jokes aside, let's see what's up with this. Yeah, I can probably... No, I finally got my revenge on the people who wronged me. No more fun. No. I feel called out. There's gonna be a jump scare, isn't it? Yeah. Huh. No. Now, this would be really impressive if I had any idea about any of the Sonic creepypasta. Still spoopy though. I hope you had fun making it. I mean, I mean, part of me feels like this is another link. It looks like another link. Anyways,
Probably YouTube video ID.
but is it? But since the equals is in the end, is this reversed? Maybe? Question mark. On the off chance that I find something that we shouldn't find, I'm just going to type that without you seeing anything? Hmm. I'm pretty sure I don't have the right tools. The only thing I would really find is videos that aren't available. Uh, Probably not, to be honest. Huh. Uh, I've never used one, but I think I've heard of it before. Just...
Notepad++ has one included.
Oh, Notepad++ has one. But the more you know. So... Well, I'm at it, I might as well. I'm a slow typer, by the way, so this might take a while. I hope those are I's and not L's, because otherwise I'm kinda screwed. I should probably decode it, not encode it. I probably misspelled it, but Needle mouse. Probably the two. Yeah, that makes more sense. I remember having heard of that. Not that I care, but again, I'm not into creepypasta. And as expected. I'm going to need to edit this again, but what? Oh, thank you. I'm going to save those and just a sec. I can't as easily show it in a card frame anymore because I would first make two. Oh yeah, I should probably turn on the music again. Yeah. Now that we finished that, I can't as easily show off the card anymore because I need to theoretically. Actually, I can. Give me a second. I can show it off actually. Just need to Godot, Godot, needle mouse, import, and seed, Godot. Load. Hey, just I should probably also turn on the ta-da! We did it. Actually looks kind of cool, not gonna lie. Obviously, again, I'm not a big of a fan of creepypasta, but it's still pretty cool. It's definitely not Sonic. Probably not. But yeah, that's cool. I can't believe it's not Sonic. Okay. What did I want to do before we were sent on a little bit of a, not really a goose chase, if you know, but I can't believe the answer was just needle mouse. I could have given that answer. I know just enough to know that it's called needle mouse. I mean, sure. If you feel like it. Also, thank you. Never would have figured without you. Also, can we talk about how in the video the question of do you want to play this game, and then my response no, just to immediately be told that I would act like I would have a choice. I know it's part of the thing, but still. It's exactly what I would do. Spoopy. Yeah. So what I wanted to implement next was in the deck editor that when you add a card, at the moment when you add a card, you can add as many cards as you want of it. Like, wait, just to make a point, I could make a deck. I could make a deck completely out of Master Emeralds. I don't think the Master Emerald actually, even if it had an effect already, I don't think it would have that good of an effect to warrant playing it 59 times, actually not 59, 29 times. And Knuckles. Yes, that all was just a setup for a Knuckles joke. I'm sorry. Also, a way bigger issue. You cannot remove cards. Once your deck has 29, whatever, 29 Master Emeralds, you are going to play 29 Master Emeralds. If you want to or not. So yeah, we need to fix that. So... probably via right-clicking you can remove the... or dragging it. I don't really care. How do we do that best? Library... The library there is... Gotta commit to the strategy. No matter how shite it is. Library card. Wasn't there something about being able to drag the... Yeah. if you drag a... So at the moment... at the moment, when you have a card and drag it, you can drop it on the deck. On the deck list. What do you... Can I theoretically do it that you can... How do you do that when you start... How can I check if you start dragging a card? Dang, I'm tired. Can I should... Get drag data. So in decklist we have func get, and in that case we just card list dot remove add. I'm not going to get the position via the vector. Not that position. Okay, first we need to find a card. I also just realized it, thank you. Instead I should probably... Oh, convenient. I wanted to set drag preview, but that's beside the point. Drag preview. Second, now that we have that, what do I actually do? Remove cards. Let me figure something out really quick. Remove self how? It doesn't know, it's... And it should only do that if parent is the deck list. Um, is checklist yes, but drop data signal, maybe? Not yet. So I connect the drop data signal to... which means I need to figure out how I do signals again, but... I can do this. I can't, but... checklist... signal... drop data... There's not a drop data signal. I'm dumb. Arguably there should be a signal though, right? Okay, so what I'm supposed to do is in library card signal or... Okay, so in library card we are adding a signal drop data, which why exactly are we doing this? I'm getting confused. Okay. I guess that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. Drop data. How do signals work again? Emit. So I'm confused. Okay, so like this. Okay, decklist. So here. Yes. Well, good to know that I'm just as confused as you are. How did we screw up so badly that we can remove cards? On a completely different note, I realized I should probably implement those as, or at least reload the ID as a an actual variable in the card, so I can access it easily. Yeah, just so we can access it later. Cards do need to be aware where they are. We are? Oh, right, because stream crashed that other time. Huh. We are already live for quite a bit, yeah. I think I want to do one more thing before we stop, which is a bit easier. Checking when we add a card that we already have, when we already have that many cards. Which should be easier. I think. I hope. Not again. I do agree, as much as I hate it. Yeah, for now pass. What can I use instead? Oh, right. I should actually... In this case I should actually have a index. Current size. So if current size smaller deck size, no. Yeah. So now if you add a card, yeah, I know. Good night. Get some good rest. I'm also not going too long anymore. Just finishing up this real quick. See you tomorrow? I think we see each other tomorrow at uni. Either way. Good night. So, okay, after we have the card, we ask the card we are going to add a variable max copies. Which is per default free. Actually, I think we have that variable. Huh. I'm still going to do it as a local variable, so I can easily edit it without editing the actual variable. So if card hero equals true, oh, I'm just an idiot, because that's not how. Equals 1. Then we go through the dictionary, which, how did I do that again? To check for every copy of that card. Because I don't know how, but also how do I do that? Let me just change something real quick. So if card then add the trail that kind of screws over how I handle anything, but because it makes it way harder to see if actually not really, because never mind, forget about that. Equals card, not card. Um, then yeah, yeah. All right. If card the real ID give me a sec. Equal, actually not equals, let me think. If that's smaller, then max copies. Then we add everything. Yeah. I'm going to take that out of the there so I can actually save it as size. Like copies equals what should I change here? So this is correct now. I don't understand dictionaries in Godot, so it might very well be wrong. Well, screw you, cause I'm carving my own fucking... It works. And it's important. Because dictionaries don't have a... But arrays have append. Screw you anyway. At that point I can remove this again. What? Let's see if that works. Let's see if that works or if it absolutely crashes. It absolutely crashed! I probably just asked the wrong thing. I just need to children child 0, yeah. Let's try this again. The same here. I forget that card is a library card and not a normal card, which is why I'm making those mistakes. I should just save the child, but fine. Especially the real ID of the child, since I use it 4 times. Whatever. It doesn't allow me to add more than 3 Sonics, but it does allow me to add 3 Sonics, which, you know, it's not supposed to. And I can't add any more cards. I'm doing something wrong, clearly. I should check that. Is the real ID correct? There. I should check the deck list. You can't see much because it's currently hidden behind. Actually, I can change it. So basically, what I'm currently doing is going through those cards and try to see what. Real ID is 001. Is hero set? Huh. What's the debugger say? Why exactly? So it doesn't seem to change this. Is the issue. Let me check something real quick. Could it be that this is wrong? Running out of ideas, to be honest. Okay. That doesn't help, but it makes it easier to read. The thing is, at the moment we have the issue that A, it doesn't change the... I do. Okay. By what? To what?
Is there a method that way to it?
It does initialize correctly. That means this algorithm somehow doesn't do.
Let them point out if it's like it's so many.
So like this. Yeah, understand. Hello. We are currently trying to debug this thing. Basically, we are currently working on a card game based on Sonic. And currently we are working on the deck editor. Specifically, we are trying to make it so that each card can only be added a certain amount of times. Like, for example, you can only have 3 copies of one card, or 1 copy of a certain so-called hero card, which is basically like a legendary card in Magic the Gathering. I didn't know either. I'm not an expert. Silic is actually the expert. I'm just trying to learn. So yeah, I started this project to learn a bit more about Godot, and while some things are going well, some things are going less well. But yeah, welcome. How did you actually find us? The stream is somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Probably. But how are you? Feel free to tell us something about yourself if you want, or just have a nice time here, I guess. Check the card in the inspector, yeah. Card. Where is it? Oh, yeah. Keep. Cards. let me... Yeah. Card... Card. Can I get... I'm trying to find the card of that card. Oh, I'm blind. I'm blind and dumb. Okay, hero is true. ID is 1. Yes, but yeah, speaking of the card game, because I currently can't show any cards off because the deck editor is broken, I actually... command should... made some post in Game Jolt if you want to check out some of what we already did. Oh, and technically you can actually see the cards, it just crashes if I try to use any of the cards. But yeah, that's our progress so far. Here would theoretically be the deck. In fact, and theoretically this is where it would scroll, but it doesn't scroll because it's kinda broken. Right, we hit a breakpoint, which is also why I can't show anything off right now. But yeah, the thing is, it seems to work on everything. Weirdly enough. Like, everything seems to be accurate. It says max copies are free, which is confusing. And it says... The thing is, I feel like it doesn't update max copies, which is an issue. Okay. Print. Ring. Card. Counter. So. Out. There. False. But we know Sonic is a hero card, which means it doesn't update it yet. Yield, get free idle. So we wait a frame to give it time to, because the card didn't update yet, because this all happens simultaneously. Yeah, that would make sense. That would indeed make sense. Basically, the issue was because we loaded the card, but didn't give the card time to actually update what card it is. It doesn't have the. But Why exactly? There's a reason I put it there. So don't add it as child unless it actually... and if that's not true, then I just remove it again. I mean, I could, but I feel removing it from the list again is easier. I could do both. Actually, I kind of think it's more elegant if we just ask that way. So if card dictionary card loader I'm just gonna copy that from here. What? Why are we blind? Why are we blind this time, rather? And then copy this. Oh, we are literally blind. Yeah, that happens sometimes. Isn't there? There. Oh, no. Real ID. You know what? I'm not going to deal with this anymore. Fine. Let's do it this way. We can remove this stuff. So yeah. That should work now, maybe? I'm going to remove the breakpoint so I can test it properly. But I think it should work. Language, please. Also fair. Yeah, basically, then I can also put this here if we don't want it that way. Yeah, makes sense. And now hope this doesn't completely blow up. It did. Ah! uh, uh, I think it works now. Let me just... I need to make it a bit more efficient so that you can also just throw stuff in via right click or something. Like Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel, for example, does, but... not bad. Now I check what it does if I add 40 cards. Oh, we only have one Master Emerald. Surprise. Okay. It's a bit weird still, but we'll figure that out as we go. For today, I'm pretty happy about that this halfway works. Those are 30, so 10 more. We already have Sonic. Do we have medals already? Or is there just nowhere to add the... Yeah. So... 2... 4... 30... 5 more. Yeah, we need to figure out why that happens. I have a theory, but... This is probably a horribly balanced deck. Especially because it has so many bad decks. And if we wanted to add another card... Yeah. You can only add... It works. It works. Yeah, I should do that. Not now, but later. Maybe off stream. But yeah, this works now. I am happy. Now to sorting. That's also something I'll do next time. So yeah, I think I'm going to call it for today. Before we leave, check out Smash's YouTube. Check out my Game Jolt. I'll post an update on what we did soonish. And in general, yeah, that was an alright stream. Took a bit long, but it was not alright. There's still a lot we need to do, obviously, but I think we did some really good progress. So, thank you everyone for coming. We'll see if we can find someone to raid. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten in a while. Let's raid. Oh. Let's raid TGS Anime. For those of you who don't know, I'm also into Yu-Gi-Oh! And since we are already doing card games, we might as well stream raid a Master Duel streamer. TGS Anime is doing duel analysis from the Yu-Gi-Oh! Anime, doing a bunch of stuff with Master Duel since it came out. And it's in general just a nice chat to hang out. So let's raid. Shall we? Thanks everyone for coming to the stream. This was a long one, but it was really fun. I don't know yet quite what my schedule will be, but probably next stream will be on Friday. Definitely follow if you want to not miss my streams. Totally not plugging myself, but also because my stream schedule is hella inconsistent with university now. So yeah, and otherwise, thank you all for coming. Have a great rest of your day. Take care, be nice, behave, and let's go raid. Bye.